kind of talk us through, because we're really curious about that event. So could you maybe just talk us about how it came about and the idea behind it and what it was like?
At first, Eric Booth, who is the owner of the MAI Contemporary Art, he support the project that I did about Mekong rivers, and he saw the works in Gwangju and in the computer, but I thought he want to see a big screen, a proper big screen. So he bought a land and he told me that, I just bought the land, you should make an outdoor screening.
He bought the land.
And it's beautiful land with a mountain views surrounded with mountain.
And where
beautiful.
Was it exactly?
It's a bit 30 minutes away from his museum, into more forest area. Yeah, beautiful area.
And so tell us more about what it was like. What was the event like?
It's like it's a cornfield, and that around the cornfield there are a lot of cow milk farm, and because of it's totally empty land, and we need to set up everything like electricity, light and sounds and food, chairs, everything from the scratch, and I try to use the chair as use a block of rice straw to sit, and we and the screening video was about 12 meters wide. What else? And we need to put light all around the land, not only the land but also the road, because it's very dark at night. We put like different colors of light, things like that. And we prepare whatever necessary. Also for the food, because the first video is about noodles. I invite one noodles shop in the city that also in the film to serve in the events. And at first I talk with Eric that how many people will come, maybe 30, maximum 50, should not be more than that. It's very far away, and maybe not so many people will go. So then we provide 50 of the noodles, and then another 50 for like local food around the area. But the food finished very quickly, and too many people there, more than we expected. The reason I invite this shop, noodle shop, because it's so good, and so a lot of people enjoy the noodles so much, and we allow them to eat all the food before the screening started, because I know that when they watch the first film, they will got hungry. So this time they're very happy that they already ate the food and then watch the film. Because most of the time when I screen this film, after the screening, everyone need to leave the screening for the noodle shop. Every time.
You have to tell us the name of the noodle shop. So
there is no name, but there is a location that I can share you.
Okay, that sounds good.
It's called Yen Ta Pho Nong Hoi, but there is no name that put on there. It's just the name of the noodles and name of the location. That's it.
Okay.